just gonna jump in and I'm gonna clean your ears out, okay? First, I'm gonna brush the outside. Good, Claire. Have you had your ears pierced in a while? Yeah, there's a little bit of gunk in the piercing hole. Gonna go ahead and move on to this ear. I'm gonna brush this ear. Gotta get a little bit close. How's that feel? Good, Claire. Okay, next I'm gonna rinse out your ears. Good, hold still. Good. Perfect. Gonna get a little close. I'm gonna cut out the wax, okay? I'm gonna get in there and cut out the wax. I'm gonna grab it. Get that wax. Get that wax. Get that wax. Get that wax. I'm gonna go to this ear too. Get that wax. Get that wax. Get that wax. Get that wax. Very good. Okay. This is going to be my next usage. It's going to suck out all of the dirt and grime, dust, and wax. Oh yeah, it's smelling more clean. Perfect. Now, Claire, don't worry, I'm just going to shave the negativity from your life. Shaving off all the negativity. Give me the negativity. Good. Pluck, pluck, pluck the negativity. Pluck, pluck, pluck the negativity. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Good night, Claire. Good night, Clarice. No, I'm just kidding. Good night, Claire. I want you to relax. It's gonna be okay. Close your eyes. Think positive thoughts, happy thoughts. Get ready to go to sleep. Get ready to relax. Okay. Claire, you're safe here. I want you to have a positive day. I want you to have a good day. I want you to have good thoughts that make you feel stronger, that make you feel whole and complete. Everything's gonna be okay, Claire. Shut your eyes. You can just think the most amazing thoughts about yourself and they'll manifest into reality. Make sure you close your eyes and believe and put forward your best thoughts. Negative thoughts are going to lead to negative outcomes. Positive thoughts are going to lead to positive outcomes. It's okay. Claire, go to sleep now. Claire, I believe in you. I believe you can go to sleep. I believe you can have a good day. I believe you can recenter yourself, collect yourself. Everything's going to be okay. Shh, everything's going to be okay, Claire. No need to worry, no need to stress. No need for anxieties, no need for anything that's going to bring you down. No need for anything that's going to be negativity. So just relax, Claire. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. You're perfect. You're beautiful. You're smart. You're worthy. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of appreciation. You're worthy of it all. Claire, 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 Claire. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. You're okay. This is a safe space for you, Claire. It's a safe space for you to relax. Take a deep breath, to breathe. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You're safe here. Just feel my hands transferring the listen to